Hey, to enable the two-step verification on your Telegram application, first of all, you will have to click on the left upper corner on the three lines and go into the settings. From here, you will have to scroll down and go into the privacy and the security and select two-step verification. Now from here we can set the password that will be required when we are logging into the new device. So we have to click to set the password, and let's say that I'm going to create very simple, for example, from 1 to 8, and if you want to see this password, just click right here. Now I can click in this place and I have to input the same password and then repeat. Click here, and here we can also create an optional hint for our password and then click in this place. Now we can set a recovery email that we will be able to access when we reset our password and restore our Telegram account. So that will be mine. We have to click right here, and now the verification code was sent into our email. So what we have to do is just to open the Gmail application, and that's the code that we have to copy and input into our Telegram by clicking to paste. And as you can see, the password was set. So now, as you can see, the two-step verification is turned on, and from here you can change this password, disable, or change the recovery email. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.